Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhones keep changing their wallpaper. If iPhones keep changing the wallpaper on its own, you can try some troubleshooting steps to address the issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply check your wallpaper settings. You have to go to the settings, then go to wallpaper, tap on add new wallpaper, and make sure you have selected the wallpaper you want and that there are no settings for dynamic wallpaper or a wallpaper slideshow enable. After this, then you have to do is simply disable the perspective zoom. When setting a wallpaper, make sure to turn off perspective zoom before setting it. This can prevent the wallpaper from automatically changing due to the device motion. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then go to general, scroll down, then tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone, then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after updating the iOS version and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is disable low power mode. If you have enabled the low power mode on your iPhone, it may affect certain visual effects including wallpaper settings. Ensure that the low power mode is turned off by going to the settings, then go to battery, and you can see your option low power mode. If you have enabled it, then you have to make sure that it's disabled. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your iPhone is changing the wallpaper on their own, then you have to do is simply reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open the general and scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix iPhones keeps changing the wallpaper. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.